And welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 What Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses as accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So project description is the in this project you will use the words is prepare documents is the series of space camp program designed for families and individual you will format the document and include the graphics in chance is the document content. We move to the project step. So step number one is a start our download and open the file name exp22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name and ensure the non-printing character are displayed. Go to the Word file. So I have already downloaded the Word file. Question number one is a complete. We can move to the question number two. So question number two is a select the underwater astronauts trainer in the first body paragraph and bold it. Select the thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it and select the alt text from the Space Academy on the page 1. Throw back your bags on the page 2 and change the font to the Cambria. Font size is 40 and change the alignment selected texts to justify. So under the select the under Austrian trainer, go to the word file and select the under underwater Austrian trainer. Select the word under Austrian astronaut trainer. Select the word and paragraph and apply the bold. So go to the home tabs and click the bold. Is the under astronaut trainer is bold and select the thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it. So select the second word is thermal design challenge first body is the paragraph of the bold. Thermal design challenge. So select the thermal design challenge and apply the bolds. Go to the home tabs, go to the font group, click the bold and select all the text. Space Academy page 1, throw back your bags on the page 2 and Cambria with the font size of 40 and change the alignments of a selected text to justify. So select the all text from the Space Academy page 1. Select the Space Academy. So select the all text and Space Academy page 1. Throw back your bags on page 2 and font sizes to Cambria. So font is Cambria. Scroll down and apply the font is Cambria. So select the Cambria, click OK. Apply the font is Cambria and next is Cambria is and change the font size to Cambria and font size is 14. Go to the home tabs and go to the font size group is apply the 14 is font size And next is change the alignment of selected texts to justify. Press the justify, go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph group and apply the justify. So question number 2 is a complete. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is a select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy section on a page 1 and adjust the line spacing is 1.15. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after 0 pt for selected the paragraph. So select the bulleted activity is the Space Academy section page 1 and adjust the line is 1.15. Space Academy section, select the Space Academy section on the page 1, adjust the line spacing is 1.5 and ensure the paragraph spacing before the after 0 pt is the selected paragraph. Select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy section on the page 1. So select the bulleted in activities and Space Academy section page 1 and adjust the line spacing is 1.15. So the spacing is the adjust the line spacing is 1.15. Select the line and paragraph spacing is the 1.15 and ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after 0 pt for the selected paragraph. Ensure the spacing before and after is the 0 pt selected paragraph. So go to the paragraph groups and after and before is 0 pt, before and after is 0 pt, before and after is line spacing is the 0 pt. So click OK. So question number 3 is the complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is the use the format pointer to copy the formula of the bulleted item in the Space Academy section to bulleted item in the Space and Camp section and also in the Adult Space Academy section. Use the format pointer to copy the formats of the bulleted in the Space Academy section and item the Space Camp section and also to the Adult Space Academy section. So use the format pointers and copy the format pointer and apply the space camp activities. Apply the space camp activities and go to the challenge. Go to the space academy activities. Is copy the format pointers. Again, copy the format pointer and apply the adult adult space academy activity and apply the adult space academy. Apply the format pointer. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is select the final three paragraphs that are shown above the boxed area at the end of the document, beginning with the sign up online and ending with the packs your bags, and apply the numbering, selecting numbers that are followed by a periods and decrease the ingredients so that the item begin at the left margins. So select the final three paragraph show above the boxed area at the end of the documents, and select the three is the sign up online and ending the packs. So select the sign up three line is sign up online is the division and space center. So select the three line, and with the packs your bags, and apply the numbering and selecting the numbers are followed by the period and decrease the ingredients the item begin at the left margin. So apply the numbering and apply the numbering formats, apply the number format, and follow by the periods, and follow by the period, and decrease the ingredients so that the item begin at the left margin. So decrease the ingredients two time. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a display the ruler, click or select the blank paragraph above the border text at the end of the documents. Press enter and set a left tab at the once and right tab is the 6. Ensure that the right tab include the dash leader. Ensure that the font is 14 Cambria. Display the rulers. Go to the view tab and apply the ruler. So click or select the blank paragraph above the border text at the end of the document is press enter. So select the paragraph and press enter, and blank paragraph above the border text and end the document press enter, and set the left tab at a 1 and right tab is 6. Ensure that the right tab include the dash leader. Ensure that the font is to 14 Cambria. So go to the home tabs and click the paragraph and go to the tab is to 1 and set, and type the 1 set, and is the tab is at a 6. The 6 click a sets and right and select the 2 and click OK. So and 6, and ensure that the right tab include the dash leader and ensure the 40 Cambria. So font is to Cambria, where the font is to Cambria. Font is to click a tab and type a 1 cassette, and 6 is to set, and click a writes and select the 2. So click OK. So question number, and font is to Cambria. Apply the Cambria. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a press a tab and type the space adventures. Do not type the period and press the tab and then type the deviation space center, and do not type the periods, and drag or move to the 6th tab and back to the 5.5. On the ruler, bold the tab line of the text. So copy the space adventures and press the tab and paste the space adventures, and press tab and type the deviation space centers. Copy the deviation space center, and again press tab, and do not type the period, drag or move the 6th tab back 5.5 on the ruler and bold the tab line of the text. Tab to the 5.5 ruler, bold tab of the text. So apply the move or tag is to 5.5, and select the tab line is to apply the bold. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a select the tab line of the text and apply the box border, choosing the first double line, and style is 3 divided by 4 pt width. Select the tab line, and apply the box border, choosing the first double line, style is 3.3 divided by 4. Go to the paragraph groups. So select the tab line of the box, and go to the paragraph groups and click the tabs. Apply the text is the box border. So go to the border tab, and click the border and shading. Click the box and select the box border and first double line selected, and 3 by 4 width is. So select the double line, and apply the width is 3 by 5, 3 by 4. Width is 3 by 4, and click OK. So apply the double line. Question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is select the space Camp program heading at the top of document, insert the word, choosing the fill gray accent color 3 and sharp bevels. Ensure that the font size of the word art is to heading. Select the space camp program heading. So scroll down, go to the top pages and select the space camp program. Is selected it and insert the word art is choosing the fill gray assets color 3 sharp sharp bevel row 2 column 5 and ensure the font size of the word art is to 36. So apply the word art styles, go to the insert tabs and go to the text group. Insert the word art style is to word art style is fill gray asset color 3 row 2 and column 5. Row 2 and column 5 is the fill gray accent color 3 sharp bevel. Click OK. Apply the word art styles and ensure that the font size word art heading is to 36. So the font size is to 36. Apply the 36 is the font size. And so question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is click or place the insertion at the end of the third bulleted item at the top of pages 2 and complete the in-cam wide is challenge nights and press enter. Remove the bullet from the new line and insert the smart art selected in circle arrow process from the process group and type the space academics in the top text and type the space camp in the middle text and type the adult space academy in the lower text. So insert the smart art graphics. So insert the is the complete is the challenge nights is press enter and remove the bullet from the view lines. Move the bullet from a line. Move the bullet line and insert the smart art selecting the circle arrow process from the process group and type the space academy. So insert the smart art graphics, click the smart art and click up process. Smart art is process group is the circle arrow process. So apply the smart art is the circle process. Apply the circle arrow process. Click OK. So insert the smart art graphics and type the space academy is the top text and second text box is type the space camp. second is to space camp, and the third is to type the Adult Space Academy. Adult Space Academy. So question number 10 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact me on WhatsApp link and email.